If your organization is considering to further automate your accounts payable processes in combination with your Infor M3, have a look at Medius AP automation and see why Medius would be a great benefit for your IT department. Together with Columbus, Medius is the only plug-and-play solution on the Infor marketplace for an AP automation.
First of all, this is an integration between two cloud-based solutions that will be updated regularly on a monthly basis. Obviously, all new features will be of value for our organization, but it could also be a risk for your IT to handle. But since Medius and Columbus has built a prepackaged integration, we're taking full responsibility that there is no downtime during any updates. Secondly, this is an integration that will automatically post taxes, VAT and costs and update your general ledger and inventory value. Because of this, it can never go wrong, because if so, your financial statements will be wrong.
With the prepackaged integration M3, you get an AP Medius setup tailor-made for M3 and project team that know both M3 and Medius. We got you fully covered.